Hey guys, we're going to go through a deceleration drill here using a 6-iron. So what we're going to do is go through a 6-iron punch shot. Now I'm not a golf swing instructor, so if my 6-iron punch shot doesn't look good, doesn't look like yours, don't sweat it. I'm not here to fix it for you. I'm not the guy to go to for that. So just bear with me here, but if you know how to do a punch shot and I'm doing something wrong, you'll figure it out. All right, so I'm going to get into my 6-iron stance. What I'm looking to do here is pretend there's a ball in front of me. When I get into my downswing and I pretend to make contact, as soon as I make contact, I want to slow the club down, staying in balance. Okay, let's go here. So let's get into my backswing and slow the club down. Okay, a little bit high. I kind of want to try and slow it down until the club is here. Let's try that again. There we go. One more time. Okay, that's your 6-iron punch shot as a deceleration drill.